In this video, we will be using the search and filter buttons. These features are really robust and a lot we can do with them to find something, find a device, to filter devices. It's just amazing what this will do. So let's get going. So the search button is the little magnifying glass. On the top right side, you'll see the three vertical dots, then the descending horizontal lines, and that little magnifying glass is the search button. If you want to search quickly for something, you would select that button. Now you've got a search field. You can search for anything you can imagine inside that device. If I want to search for a MapNet number, I might search M1 dash. Anything with that MapNet number now is going to show up on there. Anything with anywhere in the description or in the address, it's going to show up there. You'll notice that this one does not have a MapNet number, the remote power supply. But if I look at the actual location of it, or the pole station, or any of these, well, let's look at the location of this. We're going to select Modify, and you'll see that in this location, there's the description M1-44. Okay, so we're going to cancel that. Anywhere in here, I can search for that particular item. If I want to go into search again, I want to search for all my, let's say, batteries, B-A-T-T, right? I hit battery, hit search, and anything with the word battery in it. And there's a clean agent battery and a few other batteries. I can look this way. If I want to search, if I don't even know what I'm looking for a, let's say, a smoke detector, S-M-O-K-E. So now anything with the word smoke in it, I can hit search, and anything with the word smoke in, explosion proof, multi, smoke detector, anything like that. If I want to be very specific, and I know the MapNet number I'm looking for, let's say I've got a couple thousand devices and all I want is MapNet 1-21. I'm going to select M1-21 and hit search. And actually there's a couple of them, duplicates looks like. But again, that's in there. And you notice that this one, it has the word 3:20 p.m. on the very top item. I'm just going to search for 3:20 p.m. and see what we get. 3:20, and sure enough, it brings that one device. So if you know anything about what you're looking for in this search function, it will search for it for you. Okay, so we're going to cancel this. Now we're going to start looking at the filter screen. Okay, in the top right menu, next to that search button, there's a descending horizontal lines. Let's select that. And now we've got to search or sort. Let's say we want to filter by device type. And we want to see every smoke detector that we have. Let's type in SMOK, smoke detector. We'll hit done. And now let's hit apply. Now every smoke detector, and only smoke detectors are in there. Okay, if you wanted to add something to that, select that button again, and let's go to every smoke detector let's grab locations. I'm sorry, I didn't say that. Select locations. We want to see every smoke detector on the first floor. Let's select first floor. So now my search says there I'm looking for smoke detectors. I'm looking for everyone on the first floor. Let's hit apply. There we are. There's two of them. There's a smoke detector on the first floor, smoke detector on the first floor. Okay, so let's go back to the top right, and you can see that on our search, we have two items selected. We have those aren't the items, those are actually the search functions we're using. We're using smoke detector and floor. Let's clear our filters, okay? I just hit clear filters at the bottom, and now we've got device tags. Let's click on device tags and see what that is. Device tags, I want to look at any one of the EPs. Let's say I want to look up everything that's in NFPA 25 right now. I select NFPA 25 only, select done, and I select apply in the top right. These devices are all NFPA 25 devices. They're not part of an EP, and this is no matter what menu you're in, whether you're doing fire alarm or sprinkler or anything. We're just using a Joint Commission inspection right now just to show the versatility of the search and filter buttons. So I want to go one more time to the top right where that search function is, where the one is. Select that. I'm going to clear my filters at the bottom again. And now let's look by locations. At the bottom we have locations. I want to select locations. I want to see every device that's on the, let's say we want to look at devices that we forgot to put a location in. So let's go with no location specified at the top. Select done. And we're going to select apply to top right. And here's everything where I never put a location in it. Maybe I forgot to put a location. Now I know that I got to add these locations in the future. And that's another menu, another video about adding bulk actions for adding locations. So we're going to go to the top right again, into the search feature, hit clear filters at the bottom, and let's say we wanted to go to locations again, select locations, and then we want to see every device on the second floor. I select FLO2, select done, and select apply in the top right, and there's all my devices on the second floor. And we can answer our questions that way. We can filter any way we want to do that. And we'll go to the top right menu again, and we're going to clear our filters and go back to this. And now we're at our main screen again where all our devices are. And that's how the search function and the filter function works. That's the end of this video.